In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect OTG to Samsung Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use any compatible OTG cable or OTG drive that you have. This will allow you to connect a full-sized USB flash drive or any USB-A cable to your phone or tablet through the usual charging port. So to start, you have to acquire the proper OTG adapter. So see the port that your phone uses. Usually it is going to be USB-C, and all that you have to do is get the right adapter. So something like from USB-C to USB-A. Alternatively, you can also acquire micro USB to USB-A. So just get the adapter compatible with your OTG drive, ensure that it is from a reliable brand, and now connect the adapter. So plug the USB-C or micro USB end of the adapter into your Samsung's or whichever other phone you have charging port, and once this is done, you will be able to connect the USB end of your adapter into the OTG drive. With the external drive connected through the OTG port and the adapter, you will be able to open the My Files application on your Samsung phone. You should see your OTG drive listed, and you will be able to tap on the drive to access and manage all of the files. You will be able to tap on them once to see them, so if you have an image, a video, or you can copy them over to your phone's storage. Just choose the option to move or copy, and you will be able to choose in which directory you want to drop them off. You will be able to transfer as many files as you wish. Keep in mind that the data transfer speed will depend on the adapter that you are using, the OTG drive, and the type of files being transferred, but regardless, you will be able to get this process done as long as the connectors were properly inserted into the corresponding ports and you are using the correct adapter for your Samsung device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OTG to Samsung Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.